Hey everyone, so we have made it onto the Disney Fantasy and we are staying in cabin number 2040 and it's time for a cabin tour. So, as always, we're going to start at the door. First thing to point out, thermostat all the way down. This side we have a couple of cupboards, wardrobes, you've got hangers, lots of hangers, life jackets, safe and a shelf. Actually, down here, what's this? Absolutely nothing. Okay. Next to it, you've got another wardrobe, more hangers, and shelving. And then, if you do use the bunk beds, that's what the ladder's there for. Not needed by us, though. And then here, because we're on the Disney cruise ship and we're in an outside cabin, we have a split bathroom. So here we have the one with the toilet. So you have the toilet, you have toilet paper, over here the sink, and a mirror. And then straight away next to it, you have the other side of the bathroom. Hi, big mirror in front of you with the sink. And then beside it, you've got a small bath, but with a shower, which actually just makes it a nice big shower. And it is a curtain shower, but you do have a looped run for the shower curtain there. As we come out of here, you also have another big mirror on the door. Just close both of those. So immediately on my right here, we have another couple of shelves, glasses, and three fairly sized drawers. And then we're into the bed area. So this bed is a queen size bed. On this side, we have a drawer, a shelf, and underneath that shelf, you see there's a European and a North American plug. However, on the other side of the bed, you have no plugs whatsoever. However, you do find the telephone there and another drawer. Straight next to us here is the sofa. Now this sofa will change into a bed for another person, and then there will be a bunk bed that comes down from here as well. Fortunately, no need for us to use that. And then this side, we have the TV, a desk. Below the desk is a fridge. I'm going to go ahead and guess it's not going to be the coldest. Actually, that's pretty cold. That's pretty cold. That's quite good. In the middle, above this little seat, we have a drawer with all the writing implements. Also got your menu for breakfast, room service, another nice big mirror, a cupboard with a couple of low depth shelves in there, and then three more drawers of fairly good size. The top one's got the hairdryer in it, but the other two are both free. And then the reason you get this room, the window. It makes a big difference when you can see the sea out there as you're going past it. And currently we get some really nice views of different ships. And one quite nice thing here is you get a seat and you can just sit and look out at the world. So that was the cabin tour here on the Disney Fantasy of cabin 2040. It's a really nice room. It's got some really nice space about it. The split bathroom is going to be really useful for when we're both getting ready at the same time. Both having a sink and a mirror available to us. And I'm really looking forward to using that window. I can see myself sitting there and just looking at the water as we go past. Comment down below. What do you think of this room? Would you stay here? Alright, bye bye.